So for today's lesson, we're going to focus on whether it's increasing or decreasing based off of the story problem. My computer hasn't been working, so I'm going to do it old school. So hopefully you're following along on your computer, like you can do split screen, this video on one side and then the assignment on another. So if you go into today's assignment with the increasing versus decreasing, looking at the first page, it does say show your work on an extra sheet of paper. You are going to write what I write on this paper on an extra sheet of paper. You do not need your notes today. Everything we've talked about has been discussed already in your notes. So we are going to look at discounts. And we're going to look at sales tax. So on slide number 2, it does say match the answer, so the purple boxes, to the question boxes, which is the blue boxes. So we're going to take a look at number 3, where it says that the bill is $42. And there's 2%. We have a tax percent and we have a tip percent. A tax is an increase, and a tip is an increase. This is one of the more difficult problems, which is why we're doing this as a class. So we have our original, which is the old number that goes on the bottom, which is the bill of $42. Excuse me. And this is going to be our tax proportion. So then we have the tax of 40, or the bill of 42. The tax percent is 9, and 9 goes over, of course, the 100. How do we solve this? Well, we cross multiply, and then we divide by 100. So then we're going to take our handy dandy calculator and we are going to figure out what that is. So that gives me $3.78. Because it is an increase, remember we add the original and the tax. So we have 42 plus $3.78. Once I add those together, I get 45.78. Now I'm not done because, again, I had 2%. I had the tax, which was this one, and now I need to add the tip. So this new number right here becomes my new old number. So when I did the tax, I got one number. Now I'm going to pretend this is my bill and add the tip. So I need a new proportion. My old number is 45.78 over, and then we had 100% because we have another, we have another percent because we have the tip percent, which is 18. And again, I don't know how much I'm paying for my tip. Cross multiply, divide by 100. When I plug that into my calculator, I get $8.24. Because it's an increase, I add these two together. 45.78 plus 8.24. Once I add those together, I get a total of 54.02. So you're going to look for the blue box that has 54.02 and drag that to the answer for number 3. So that was 2 examples, actually, of an increase. Let's take a look at the last problem, number 10. So that says a $20 item marked down 40%. So marked down makes the price lower. Make your proportion. Of course, there's always that 100%. So if the original cost of the item is $20 and the percentage is 40, I need to figure out how much it's going to be marked down. So cross multiply, divide by 100. When I do that, I get, hold on one second, I get $8. Since it's a discount, I subtract. So 20 minus 8, that gives me $12. So you're going to find the blue box of $12 and drag it to the box of 10. When you are done, make sure you're showing all of your work on a separate sheet of paper. Take a picture of your work and submit it on page 3. So if you are in the Google Docs, you go into Insert, Image, and use your camera. Good luck, guys.